Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 5th, 2023. Before I start, let me inform you that tomorrow it's the first Friday of the month. I will do a speed test with the regular puzzles. But let me continue with this additional. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also in this additional 2 tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. In Japanese, suguru. 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve this evening. Why? Why not all? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright. The first one, 3 Stars Sudoku, and this will be a number, I believe number 7217. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 27 printed digits. If you compare in the old days of the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, the 1 star has 27, the 2 stars 26, the 3 stars 25, and the 4 stars 24 printed digits. Well, the publisher has changed with the indication of the difficulty level. 27 should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. And the 3 stars, if it's really a 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. We'll see if this is really a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which am I gonna pick? How about these 5 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in the last column, so no 2 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes there. So 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, and look, with 8 and 9 in the first row, so no 8 and 9 in this box. 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9, so 1 is left in this big square for number 5. Alright. Okay. Need to position the camera. Wow. It's not so stable anymore. Let me disconnect this. Oh. Well. Need to. Having troubles. It's not so stable anymore. Well, I will hold it in my hand. Okay. Let me continue now. Let me see. Which am I gonna pick? How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 3 boxes here. 6 in the second row, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. And we have a pair. The 6 and a 5 in this row. Oh no. Not true. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the third row. No. We have an 8 and a 9 here. Let me see. Well, we have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. And here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. So here we have 8 and a 9 left in the third row. 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Well. Then 1, 3, 9. Okay. How about the numbers? 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Okay. Let me see. 1, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in that box. So the 1 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, okay. How about a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. Five in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, need a 5 here, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 in this box. Here, 5 in this row, no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Need a 5 here. Yeah. Alright. 1, 8, 9, wait. 1, 8, 9, okay. Come on. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there, okay. These two, 9 and 4, I believe. Yeah, 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left with a 9 should be there. 1 box left in the third column for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4, 4, 4, 4, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. Wait, let me look for this big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Do we have a pair? 4, 3, 3, 4, 6. Yeah. No, 3, 4, 7. Yeah. Okay. We have a pair. 4 and a 7 in this column. 4 and a 7 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Okay. Yeah. Let me continue. 1 box left in the last column. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, 3. We have a pair. 2 and a 3 in this column. 2 and a 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square for the master 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be and 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so in the row between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 3, 5, and I need a 1 here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Well, alright, 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those. Okay. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers 1. 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the man. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 is missing. And now, let me see. How about the ones? 2, 8, 3. No, 2, 8, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, no, 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in the middle row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. Alright. How about here? We need a 1 here. 1 of these 2 boxes should be a 1. 1, 3, 2. Oh, 3 and a 2. We already have a 2 there, overlooked. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. This box will be 3. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 and 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and 4, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finishes 60 minutes. Maybe I talk too much. Faster than 50 minutes. Well, definitely not a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.